everyone, welcome to Faso's Kitchen. Today, I'm sharing a herbal tea recipe that not only cleanses the body, eases inflammation, and boosts the immune system, but also brings many health benefits that's perfect for your wellness routine. Let's get started. The recipe is quite simple and I would recommend using organic ingredients. We are starting with a pineapple for our recipe. Fill a bowl with water, enough to cover the whole pineapple. Add some vinegar. This step is important to remove dirt and bugs, especially because we'll be using the pineapple skin. Soak it for 10 minutes, then rinse well with water. Now cut off the pineapple skin and make sure to keep the core, the hard middle part. The pineapple skin and its core are packed with vitamin C, loaded with bromelain, an enzyme with anti-inflammatory properties. They also support the digestion and may help ease bloating. For detailed information on the health benefits of the ingredients, check the link in the description below. Don't forget, we also need the pineapple core. Grab an orange and slice it. The fiber in oranges aids digestion, stabilizes blood sugar, and reduces cholesterol and belly fat. Plus, they are rich in vitamin C, potassium, and folate, promoting healthy heart, strong muscles, and overall well-being. Now slice 1 lemon or lime. Adding lemon water to your regime supports the immune system, keeps healthy skin, fights free radicals with antioxidants, and promotes clear, healthy skin. Grab a thumb-sized piece of ginger, roughly chop it, and don't forget to keep the ginger peels. Ginger is rich in gingerol, a compound known for its strong anti-inflammatory properties, aiding in reducing inflammation. It may also help ease nausea and promote digestion. In a large pot, add the pineapple peels, follow with the sliced orange and lemon. Then introduce the chopped ginger and lemongrass. I'm using the dry leaves today, but the fresh ones are even better, bringing a citrusy aroma. Lemongrass provides powerful benefits. It may help control cholesterol, fights germs with its antiseptic powers, and cleanses the oral cavity. Additionally, its calming effect may aid in reducing stress. Sprinkle in 2 to 3 tablespoons of fennel seeds. Packed with potassium, these seeds assist in managing blood pressure, easing cramps, and aiding weight loss by preventing overeating. A great choice to add to your diet. Pour in 1.5 liters of water, enough to fill the pot. Now, cover with the lid, bring it to a boil, then reduce to a simmer for at least 45 minutes to release the properties, allowing the flavors to blend. If you're enjoying this content, please consider subscribing. Turn off the heat when the liquid turns golden and allow it to cool down slightly. This great detox tea is suitable for year-round consumption, safe for everyone except nursing and pregnant women. However, please consult your doctor if you are taking any medication. Now, strain the liquid into a carafe. You can keep this herbal drink in the fridge for up to a week once it has cooled down. Enjoying this tea helps cleanse and detoxify your body, bringing healing properties that promote better digestion, It boosts your metabolism, aiding in the breakdown of excess fat, which speeds up weight loss. And if you often crave sugar, this tea can help by curbing those cravings. Discard or compost the scraps. This tea also strengthens immunity, eases joint pain, and relieves menstrual cramps. Drink this tea in the morning and at night for its calming and healing effects, promoting better digestion and improving the quality of your sleep. A wholesome addition to your routine. Give this detox tea a try, your body will thank you, and share your experience in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing, hit the like button and share. Until next time.